Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the November... Why do I keep saying... I've did so many takes of this. I keep saying November. The November Allure Beauty Box. So this is everything in the box right here. I'm getting sick, guys, so if you can hear it in my voice, I'm sorry. I also look like crap. I did a turmeric shot, so my teeth look a little yellow. I'm just a mess today. But if you haven't heard of the Allure Beauty Box, I actually haven't done a review video for Allure in a little bit. I think they were revamping their box, but the Allure Beauty Box is $23 a month. You get at least 6 items in there, 3 of them being full size, and you get a free gift as well, which is usually just like a sample. In this one, it's the Neutrogena Stubborn Blackheads Daily Serum. Looks like a big nipple. Can I say nipple on YouTube? And it also comes with a little mini Allure magazine in here. This just has all the products on here, and the editors just talk a little bit about the products and how they use them. This box seems really big. I just counted all the products. There are 8 products in here, and then the little sample is 9. First up, we got the Simple Cleanser. This is Simply by Helena. Also, don't judge my nails, guys. Just ignore me in this video. I always hate watching videos and people are just apologizing the entire time, but I'm slowly turning into one of those people. So it looks almost like a whipped cream. Ooh, I really want Cool Whip right now. Not that this smells like Cool Whip, but it looks like it. Doesn't really have a scent to it, which is great. Oh, this is a cleanser, I forgot. I'm like using it like a lotion. I just went and wet my hands just so that we can see how this looks lathered up, and I'm liking that it doesn't lather. I've actually heard that that's a good sign for more of a natural product, so I'm liking it already. It says that it has a subtle lavender scent, which I don't really smell in there, but it has soothing ingredients like chamomile water, goat's milk, and they're supposed to work together to create a spa-like zen experience. This is a 2 ounce, so I'm not sure how much this one is, but for a 4 ounce, it's $29.95, so $30. For a really good clean product, that's not bad. And the first ingredient on here is organic aloe leaf juice. And all of the ingredients on here you can actually pronounce, and I know what they are, because the next one is coconut oil, we have glycerin, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, I like this product already. I'm just gonna wash this off. Whenever I've been washing my face now, afterwards, I just allow it to air dry. I've seen such a huge difference in my skin. It just feels more plump. It's just more moisturized. Next up, we have a toner. So this is the Wimsa Organic Flowers Toner in Deep Rich. So obviously this is a little sample size here. So this is an organic water-free fermentation process, I guess, for the toner. It does smell a very subtle hint of rose, but nothing overpowering. And this is actually more gel-like than a typical toner, I would say. Toners are more like water, at least from my experience. But I like that this is more of a gel. That way I don't need to use like a cotton round. I can just pour a little bit into my hand. I just used about a pea-size amount. It says that this prep step makes your skin much dewier than a moisturizer alone. The formula has a soft water-like texture with a subtle rose scent, which very, very subtle. I think you guys would like it if scents bother you at all. It has a radiant finish, and it's $43 for what size? But if I'm looking on the manual, if I'm looking at the whatever this is, I can't even think right now. But this is the actual size of it, which looks a lot bigger. It's early, guys, these videos. Okay, so I just looked it up for you guys. It is $43 for a 5.2 ounce bottle, so I don't think that's too bad, especially since you really only need a small size amount for this. Next up, they included the Akar Restore Eye Serum. I'm just gonna use about this much here. So this one was not in the little catalog here. I have had this in a previous Allure Beauty Box, and I really, really liked it. Even though it says it's an eye serum, I use it for my whole entire face. It's really good for depuffing underneath the eyes and just giving you a super hydrated, well-rested vibe. I'm reading the back here, and it also says that it combats dryness while the fatty acids work to firm, tighten, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. But yeah, like I said, I use this all over my face, and then I just kind of focus on my under eyes. Next up is the Probiotics Youth Repair Cream by Neogen. The full size of this is $48 for 50 grams. It does have a little bit of a scent to it. Let me see if they say what it is. It almost smells like a sour candy, like strawberry Sour Patch Kids. It smells good. It's formulated with soothing peptides, 11 to be exact. It has hydrating hyaluronic acid and nourishing ceramide to moisturize skin and give it a bouncy, slightly lifted effect. My skin does feel a little bit firmer, but not like that weird like tightening feeling from a product, so I actually really like this. And the scent's not too extreme, so if you're someone who can't handle strong scents, I think you'll still like this one. Next up is the Self-Care Recovery Night Oil by Filiani. Ooh, the full size of this looks really cool. It's in like a purple bottle. Look at this cute little guy. This blend is stacked with moisturizing squalene and a mighty list of plant-derived extracts, including calendula and chamomile. Looking at the word chamomile, it's like chamomile. Wait, is it chamomile? I think it's chamomile. CHAMOMILE. Holy crap, so this is $72 for a 1.4 fluid ounce. I'm actually not gonna use this because it's the morning, since this is like a night serum, but it has a scent to it, but nothing strong. It almost smells like oregano, or maybe that's the smell of chamomile, but it smells natural and effective. Okay, so these last 4 products I'm not gonna be trying, but I'm gonna show you guys. This is an eyelash curler by Ico. I like that it's blue. Very fitting for my lifestyle. This is $15 and it says the gentle arc and cushy pad of this tool make it easy to use. No accidental pinching here, which I have done that before, that really hurts. And the handle rests comfortably on your cheek to make the curling a breeze. I haven't used an eyelash curler and I don't even know how long. Oh, that actually did something. Do you even see that or no? I used to be obsessed with curling my lashes when I was younger. I was just obsessed with lashes in general, which I still am, but now I wear false lashes. But I used to wear like freaking like 5 coats of mascara and then curl them like each time in between. Like I would wait for the mascara to dry and then I would curl them and then I'd do another layer and then curl them again. It was crazy, but this is really cute. Next up is the Tarte Quick Stick. This is actually really convenient. So it looks like you have an eyeshadow on one side and then you have more of like a liner on the other. Let me see if they explain this guy. On one end, you'll find one of the smoothest black liners you'll ever try. The creamy texture glides along your lash line for major color payoff. On the other side, you'll get a rose gold shadow stick for brightening up your eyes. This is $25. I mean, this is really cool. So I'm gonna swatch this for you guys. I just looked it up and they had these in a ton of different colors, so if you really like this but you wouldn't want like the rose gold, you can find it in other colors. What am I trying to say? $25 for the convenience alone, I think it's worth it. Okay, so I have to say I'm almost never a fan of mascaras that come in tubes like this. I could be wrong about this one, but yeah, this is the Wander Beauty Upgraded Lashes. I'm also usually not a fan of this kind of bristle. I don't really like a lengthening and separating lash wand. I like chunky lashes, but let's see what we have here. This is $26. This mascara gives your eyes all the glam without unwanted drama of smudging, flaking, or clumping. The hourglass brush is covered with comb-like bristles to separate every single lash for maximum definition. That's what I'm talking about. I don't like every single lash separated. It's just not my style. But I have heard great things about Wander Beauty, so if you like that look, you'll probably love this. But yeah, this is a jet black formula infused with conditioning peptides and nourishing panthenol. So lashes are nourished every step of the way. If you guys have tried this and you like it, let me know in the comments down below. $26 is a bit expensive for, I mean, Wander Beauty is a known brand, but are they a luxury brand? I don't know. Next up, I'm not gonna be trying this over top of everything that we've got going on here with the oils, but this is the Neutrogena Stubborn Blackheads Daily Serum. It says that this visibly clears clogged pores and helps eliminate blackheads, which as I've gotten older, I have been getting a lot of blackheads. I never used to get them, but yeah, I have them like all over my nose. I mean, I wear a lot of makeup and I'm constantly doing body painting and things. If you don't follow me over on Instagram, you're probably like, body painting? But yeah, follow me on Instagram. If you guys have tried this one too, let me know in the comments down below. I am interested to see if this works or if there's another method of clearing blackheads besides using the strips, because I heard that those are actually really bad for you because they tug on the skin. And this does have AHA, PHA, and BHA. So it has glycolic acid, polyhydroxy acid, and salicylic acid. Yeah, I'm actually really excited about this. It says in 3 days, it should reduce the appearance of blackheads, whiteheads, and pores. Okay. They also have one for stubborn texture. Sorry guys, I'm like reading the back of this, but texture, I think I might have to get this. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the November Allure Beauty Box in the comments down below. Yeah, make sure to like this video if you liked it. That really helps me out. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.